To add or remove slitter blades, remove the thumb screw holding the slitter bar in place. Move the bar towards the back of the press and slide in the slitter blade assembly. If removing a slitter blade, loosen the thumb screw on the blade assembly and slide off the bar. Replace the thumb screw connected to the slitter bar. To rotate or replace the slitter blade, remove the 2 screws and the top plastic piece. Very carefully rotate the blade to an unused corner. The edges will be very sharp. If all 4 corners have been used, replace the blade. Replace the plastic housing and install the 2 screws.